What was the biggest challenge you faced in implementing all these new tools and processes, and how did you overcome them?
I think every tool comes with its own unique set of challenges. And so I think even in just the example of ObservePoint and Blink, they both had challenges that you would have with any new tool. I think across both of them, there's so much you can do in the tool that training was one of the big things of getting all of our users educated and where they felt comfortable and empowered to leverage the tools to their fullest capabilities. And I will say that has been one of my favorite parts about our partnership with both of these companies is the customer service is unmatched anywhere else. If you have a question, if you need support, if you need someone to answer the question you've already asked 5 times, but in a different way, so it resonates with a different human, they're willing to do it and then go above and beyond and support you through whatever it takes to get those tools up, running, and profitable for within your organization. And that's how we were able to achieve our results so quickly. Spencer, anything to add from your perspective?
I would just say, I don't necessarily know if this was a challenge. This is what I thought was going to be a challenge. So I'm going to morph the question to that. I would say adoption with any new tools that you're adding across an entire company. I mean, this is a tool that's used by initially it was like, okay, we use this in marketing to create links for things, but now it's used by our web team. It's used by a lot of different aspects of the business email. And so adaptability, I thought was going to be a big challenge. We have new tools that kind of come and go here and there. So getting people to really latch on, and I thought it was going to be difficult, but Sam kind of mentioned before, um, Blink has really become a household name within Room and Board here on if we have a new tactic that we're testing, it's very well known on we're going to use Blink links for this. What do we need for attributes? Do we need to add anything new? And to get that type of language across, I mean, our content and creative team is using that type of language, and our email team is using that type of language. So to be able to so quickly get that adoption rate up and it become that partnership really become a part of our internal speak, I think was something that I wasn't really expecting and has been great.
Piggybacking on that, I think a lot of the wins that we had from adoption came from really two pieces. One, if you bring on a tool traditionally for one specific purpose, it meets that purpose. What's been really nice about both ObservePoint and Blink is the scalability and sustainability that you have within the product. Of it is very ready to support a small use case, but also a massive use case and grow with us as our use cases change and evolve. The other big piece is both of these tools have made it so easy to meet people where they're at. And what I mean by that is we have ObservePoint attributes within Blink where marketers are able to look at those results when they need them and when they're managing their campaigns. We have both of these tools integrated within our project management tools. The tools talk to each other. So regardless of where you're working or how you're working, these tools can meet you within those process flows. And not every tool can do that. Most of the time it's just one more login you have to remember and another tool you need to understand. But both of these tools have really helped our journey in adoption by making it so easy to integrate with everything else in our tech stack and really meet people with the information that they need when they need it, where they need it, regardless of the team.